AI is everywhere, helping us write emails, creating art, and even chatting like humans. But what's next? Could AI take over jobs, or is it the key to a better future? Let's find out. Welcome to EJJA World. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI, how it works, where it's headed, and what it means for all of us. Artificial intelligence, or AI, mimics human intelligence. It learns from massive amounts of data, identifies patterns, and makes decisions, just like your brain, but faster. ChatGPT, for example, is an AI that uses a neural network to understand and respond to your questions. It's trained on a vast data set, which is why it knows so much. You've seen AI in action. ChatGPT answering your toughest questions, AI artists like DALL-E creating jaw-dropping images, and robots building your packages. But that's just the beginning. AI is revolutionizing industries, from education to entertainment and even healthcare. AI has the potential to change the world for the better. Imagine doctors diagnosing diseases faster, personalized tutors helping students learn at their own pace, or AI solving climate challenges by analyzing data we can't even comprehend. But it's not all good news. Some worry that AI could replace jobs or become too powerful. Others fear cybersecurity risks or biases in AI systems. These challenges remind us to develop AI responsibly. So what's next? AI is evolving faster than ever, but the real question is, how do we shape its future? With the right balance, AI could become humanity's greatest tool. Want to learn more about the technology shaping our world? Subscribe to EJJA World and join us on this incredible journey.